So very welcome here.
Thank you.
This is the home of the Keane family. We've been here since around 1735, where we acquired it from the Earls of Cork. This was a ruined castle, having been probably blown up in the Cromwellian Wars. It was then built in the 18th century style by the family. And my grandfather rebuilt it.
And did you ever find out why was the house burnt down in 1923?
Because there was apparently a execution in Kilkenny, and revenge, they were told to come and burn a number of houses in County Waterford.
So it was a reprisal?
It was a reprisal, yes. Okay. Anyway, come on inside.
Great.
I'll lead the way. This would have been the front hall.
Okay.
Into the main hall.
Oh, look at that.
Where you've got the wonderful ceiling, the good light.
Yeah.
We'll come up the stairs. So we have the portraits of the general. We then have the portraits of my grandfather. And that is pre-First World War, Edwardian style, totally different to the Victorian style. Pork pie hat, the Donphan attitude, the country clothes. The wife, again, in a rural setting with her rural hat, casually dressed. Yeah. And I think they're lovely.
Beautiful.
When we were young, we ignored them. We thought they were nonsense. But they are great period pieces, I think.
And he's the man who oversaw the rebuilding here in the 1920s.
That's right, exactly.
And Charles, what does it feel like to have this weight of history on your shoulders living in a house like this? Or is it a weight?
No, you're a caretaker. Hope for the next generation. The challenge is, will the next generation take it on? And that depends upon inheritance taxes, the income they have, and so on and so forth. So I think historically these houses can't survive.
Well, and I suppose things never stay the same forever.
Right, exactly. Depends which side of the social divide you are. I mean, in a sense, it's a good thing. Things get recycled, but on the other hand, there's history here. You know, your pleasure coming here is the ensemble of the history.